to the channel. I am Manpreet and I hope you all are doing good. So I just came back from the walk and I am enjoying these morning walks a lot because the sun was peeping through the trees leaves and it was amazing to have such a kind of view. And also guys, fall is standing on the threshold and I have to be prepared for it in order to welcome it with open arms. So there are some things in my bucket list which I want to do before its arrival, like some home decor items and other stuff. Today I also have plans to go out to buy some stuff, and now I will just quickly make breakfast. I just got ready and I'm wearing one of my favorite suits and I'm going out. Actually there is a trade fair which is held at Taj Suvarna Hotel in my city and मैंने Instagram पे रील देखी थी. वहाँ पे क्लोथ से लेकर होम डिकोर आइटम्स एंड स्किन केयर जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो भी अवेलेबल हैं. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू एक्सप्लोर दैट. एज आई ऑलरेडी mentioned that I need some home decor stuff, so that's why I will go there and I will see if that matches my expectations. So yeah, I am just leaving for that. I'm back home and guys, it was a kind of disappointing that I didn't get anything from that trade fair. Actually there were some stuff but that was not up to the mark which I wanted to get, but luckily I went to the mall and there was a book fair, so just have a look. I will share the books which I got from there. So these are my companions which I got from there, and guys I just want to share, as you have all seen there were books for all the age groups and I really like the way they categorized everything. I was enjoying when I was looking at those bookshelves and I just wanted to grab each and every book from there, but I got these. And the first one is this George Orwell's 1984, and the other one is this A Walk to Remember by Nicholas Sparks, and then by my favorite author Margaret Atwood, The Handmaid's Tale, and the last one is this George Eliot's The Mill on the Floss. And I hope that I read these books during the fall season. These are my fall reads and I just want to finish all these during the fall only. I have to make dinner. Actually I don't want to eat something heavy today, so that's why I just want to make chickpea salad and I'm trying that recipe for the first time. I hope just like pancakes that goes well. Wish me luck. Good morning you all. I just prepared these toasts. Actually today I am feeling little bit tired and low, so that I didn't get the strength to make any other breakfast. So I am just going with this simpler one. So I had 2 hours of sound sleep, as it was very much needed. Usually I don't sleep during daytime, but today I was feeling exhausted, so that's why. But I am very obedient student. I have done all my homework. I want to share with you all that I have written all the drinks and the food which I am going to try during autumn. Apart from this, I have decided about other things as well, like clothes, makeup, fragrances, moisturizer. For clothes, I have decided to wear these kind of brown tones, or I will also try to wear orangish tones just to match the leaves of autumn. This, love this color. And I'm going to try these plum body loving and So's fragrances. And for lip shades, I'm going to try these kinds of wine, or I will say the brown tones. Also some nail paints of these dark shades. And also I'm going to continue with my same moisturizer, and I'm also going to use this coffee lighten shower gel as well. Also bought some of the ingredients for autumn simmer pot. I will really have my hands on it during this autumn. So I just came back from the market, as I had to get some grocery because I'm going to make one of my favorite dishes, malai kofta, and I didn't have it from ages. Actually in the afternoon I was craving for it, and coincidentally my husband had the same craving, so that's why I decided that I will make it today only. So guys, this is my preparation for the fall, and only one thing is left, and that is restocking of coffee, as it is almost finished. So I actually love to consume coffee during fall as well as during winter, so that's why I just want to get it. And also this time I want to try coffee from different brands, as usually I am stick to one brand only, but this time I just want to try something new as well, and I also want to try different flavors of coffee. So yeah guys, that's it with today's video. I will meet you with new video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Also happy fall in advance guys.